cat and the girls. And we're all stuck in this quarantine. And so I went to the dollar store today after doing some grocery shopping, and we thought we could make a fairy garden. So what I got a bunch of these at the dollar store. And here's the fairies.
Fairies. Get your fairies here.
And then a bunch of the little decorations.
Yo.
And then I got some marbles, maybe to make like a little pathway.
Ocean.
And then I had this for a while, and I thought maybe we can just stick it in there. And then I got this little thing.
It's a light.
Yeah, I know what it is.
Oh. You should spin though, so I
A little lantern. And then I got some soil also at the dollar store, and this pot at the dollar store. Literally everything at the dollar store except for my scissors and this
She's had that
and this. But everything else is at the dollar store. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So about 15 bucks worth of stuff, and we can make our own fairy thing. So what we're going to start with, I think, is to put our soil in the pot.
So Mom has to cut the bag open so she can actually put the soil in.
Okay, you guys can help with that.
Okay, yay! Maybe
Hannah, you want to scoot over? I don't know if you're in the... Just stand, both of you stand next to each other. Haley, what do you keep moving? Hannah.
What?
You spaz.
I'm here. I've had all those Smarties.
Well, then I guess we don't need to eat any more Smarties then.
No.
Okay.
I need shoes.
Stinks like dirt.
I'm getting my shoes. I need my shoes. Can you mix it around?
I don't think we need to mix it around.
Oh boy, that's a lot. That's like, oh.
Alright, let's see.
Can I help?
I might need more soil. I don't think that's enough. Okay, I'm gonna go get more soil from somewhere.
Okay. I thank you. Hi guys, it's me, Haley. Stop it. And oh, by the way, in an upcoming video, we're gonna be making a Roblox video in summer, so. And Mom is getting more soil so we can do the flower. Wait, we already know. Stop pushing me out of the way. And we have a little bead so we can start doing it. Also, we have these. We also, Mom already showed you guys these, but these cost a lot. Oh, by the way, we have a new kitty. A new kitty and a puppy. We're not talking about that cat. Oh, sorry. No, sorry. No. I need to show you. And we have scissors to cut. And we have a new puppy. You can go now.
Okay. So, I filled it up. Not all the way up, just so we have. But I did kind of squish it down. Oh, right.
Down camera. That's what happened.
Okay, so how are we gonna put all this?
I don't know. Maybe a door over here. Like that? Maybe one like right over here.
I could have swore this was.
Look up. You know what? I'm gonna put this tater toddy right there. Oh, that's good.
You know, I was hoping there'd be like a piece of like a branch or something that we could put where it was actually her house.
Maybe like fairy crossing. Oh, that's a good one.
Okay, Haley, you're just sticking them willy-nilly. I think we need to make like a pathway. You know what I mean?
Oh yeah, totally.
So somebody walking in, and then they walk to her house.
Fairy crossing? Wait, that's the wrong way.
What are you talking about? It says welcome. It's not the wrong way.
Like when you walk in.
Yeah.
Fairy crossing. Oh, I'm gonna put the bath one.
It's a little water fountain. Maybe
we can put the water fountain right there.
Perfect.
Last one, butterfly.
Butterfly chair. Butterfly chair. Maybe the butterfly chair can go over here by the fairy crossing.
I'm gonna sit and wait for your
Like.
boyfriend.
Are you serious? Come here! Can I willy-nilly is gonna get one this guy.
Ace better be watching this when he's... never mind. Well, if he wants to.
Oh, wait.
In case you know who eats these.
Maybe you could put him in the front.
Room.
Little walk.
Wait, I wanna.
Oh, here.
Here's one.
Me. I'm gonna grab a handful.
Wait, my hand. Oh, this is looking pretty nice. Like a garden full of neat people eating like a willy-nilly water fountain.
What's with willy-nilly all of a sudden? Because I said it one time.
Just the wrong way.
Or are you making him 3 wide? I was making it 2 wide.
Wait, I was gonna do this path.
I'm helping.
This is helping. I don't think you have to shove him all the way in there because then you can't see him.
Oh, yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
I'm gonna put one.
No more. I think that's good, Haley. You're not listening, honey. I don't think you need like a smaller one for that section.
They're called blue marbles, as you can see.
And they're really cool. Like you can see a bunch.
I
Like
already showed them.
so cool. My teacher, Miss Powell, she has them, and we
You
use
have
them.
one more? Can I have it?
It's for St. Friday, and
What are
we
you
use
doing?
these
Okay.
as
You don't need a freaking floaty.
the dominoes. So we go
I guess
like
we
that,
should
and then
add.
we twist
Oh,
it.
where are we gonna put the lantern?
I don't know.
You know what? We need to have something where it just hangs.
So top.
We need to find something that we can hang it
really
on.
hard. Like that.
You know what I'm saying?
So that's how you do it in my class.
Okay, place the growing medium pellet in a bowl or cup of water. Approximately 1 tablespoon of what water is that? Put medium or in pot place.
Hey. Okay.
Okay.
Sit you down. Sit you down, you awkward cat.
I don't think this is big enough for our
So these are a lot. It's like almost a whole bag. It's like 15.
Oh, there we go.
Like 23.
Okay.
These are all.
Haley, can you put them back in there? I don't think we need any more, my love.
No.
All right, ladies. Where are you gonna put your fairies?
I want.
Oh, I want this.
I like this one.
Oh my gosh, her hair is pretty. You know what? I'm gonna set her bar right here. Hello. I mean,
Where should I? Maybe I can put her. It looks awkward when I put her like that.
No, it doesn't. She's fine right there. And then they got their little furry friends. I guess they're not all furry. One's a turtle. Turtle?
Yeah. I like
Then
I
that.
I
like
was like,
turtles.
please.
Huh?
I was like, here.
Oh my goodness, you're fine.
You do the squirrel. Or
I'm gonna have the turtle looking at her.
Oh, the turtle's perfect by the water fountain.
Where should I put these?
It's looking at her.
owl?
Yeah.
Wherever you want, honey.
You know what? I'm gonna put her right here.
She doesn't sit in the water. Come on. I would put her right by the water because there's going to be water in there, right?
I was gonna put the turtle in there, I guess.
Here?
Can the water actually turn on?
No, honey. I'll just decorate. Okay, so I got to find some sort of a wire or something, too.
To hang it up?
Yeah, wouldn't that be kind of cool just to hang it and light it? Everything would light because there's no way of fitting it. Okay, so then we're going to do this. Okay, it says,
Garden fella.
place the growing medium pellet in a bowl or cup. Okay, I need to go get a bowl or
Wait,
cup.
what is that?
We're going to grow some rosemary. And then it'll just be like a little bush right here for the fairies.
Oh. You need a cup of water and that.
Okay, so I need a bowl or a cup and add approximately a tablespoon of lukewarm water. Haley, put those back. Let the pellet absorb the water. Put the growing medium in the pot. Place no more than 5
ounces.
Place no more than 5 seeds. Oh, my back. 5 seeds to the top and press lightly into the growing kit medium. Place in a sunny location. Wait, so I don't even put any like dirt in it?
No.
Interesting.
Here's getting water.
Oh, good.
Oh, she's holding a rose.
Oh.
I'm like, what is that? And then it's a rose.
Oh, I thought you were getting me a cup of water or a bowl of water.
You should just put
not.
some.
Okay, I guess I'll go get the water. Hannah, does it say 2 tablespoons or 1 tablespoon of water?
1 tablespoon. Ugh.
What?
There's something in my water.
Oh, that smells good like watermelon.
Yes. It's gonna exude.
Ooh,
Just sucking it up.
it's getting bigger.
Yeah, it's supposed to.
Yeah, I've seen it on Six Flame Sam.
That's
Okay.
cool.
I don't think so. Oh, shoot.
I think it's supposed to do that. It's soil. I can feel it. It feels like normal.
Okay, and then it says...
This one feels like soft, like bread.
Wow, somebody on their motorcycle.
Sickle.
Sickle. Icicle. Baby, icicle. Give you baby. Maybe just like. Ooh, those are the. I'm gonna get a white tablet.
Okay. Hopefully it grows. We shall see. It's weird that it doesn't say put more stuff on top, but whatever. Okay. Ta-da!
She's like, I'm keeping charge of this.
We'll put this somewhere when I find something to hang it on.
Okay.
Okay, there's our fairy garden.
And there's a turtle going to the water.
Okay, if we take this out, there's our little walkway. You walk, say welcome. You walk into her house or their house.
It's right there. The bathroom.
The bathroom. Oh, and then we got somebody sitting over here on a bench.
I
We
placed
got
that
their
there.
water. We got a turtle. We got a
I like
owl.
I like turtles.
There you go. I think that's a pretty cute and easy thing to do with your kids. I'm going to find something to hang this on so I can hang it and it can illuminate. But I'm going to stick it here for now so I don't lose it. So there you go. I think for 15 bucks and a little bit of fun and creativity for your kids. I think I want to see if I can find a piece of
Wire?
wood. No, a piece of wood to put behind this so it looks like, you know, they're actually walking into like a tree is their house. Haley, please put it down before you drop it, baby. Okay, there it is. I hope you guys like it, make it, and stay safe and healthy, and we'll see you guys on the next one. What do you say?
Bye.
You say bye, Willow. Where's the kitty cats? What is that?
She has paper towel in her.
Oh, goodness. Where's the kitty? All right.
Almost done, guys.
We're off. We'll see you guys on the next one.
Bye.
Okay, so I went into my craft room and I found a piece of like wire from an old wreath making thing, and I just bent it so it's got a little hook, and then I stuck it in the dirt. So now we got like a little lantern hanging, which I thought is pretty cool. So tonight I think I'm gonna pull the plug, turn it on, and see what it looks like in the dark and show you guys. Cool. And I did that while they did that. The usual shenanigans. Okay, so the lighting's kind of crappy, but this is what it looks like with the light on. In the dark, in the rain. Just wanted to give you another perspective. Hope you guys like it. Bye.